Have you ever dreamt of having long, flowing hair? Hair, often considered a symbol of beauty and vitality, plays a crucial role in our self-esteem and overall appearance. However, various factors like stress, pollution, and chemical treatments can take a toll on our hair, health, leading to hair fall, thinning, and dullness. But what if I told you that you could unlock the secret to luscious locks right from your kitchen? In this video, we'll embark on a journey to create a potent DIY hair growth serum, specially formulated for all hair types using natural ingredients. Get ready to nourish your hair from the roots, stimulate growth, and restore its natural shine and strength. Join me as we delve into the world of DIY hair care and unlock the potential for healthier, more vibrant hair. Our journey into the world of hair growth serums begins with a star ingredient, jojoba oil. Derived from the jojoba plant, this oil is a powerhouse of nutrients that closely resemble our scalp's natural sebum. This unique similarity allows jojoba oil to penetrate the hair shaft effortlessly, delivering intense hydration without clogging the pores. Think of it as a tall glass of water for your hair, quenching its thirst and promoting a healthy scalp environment for optimal hair growth. Next, we introduce another hero ingredient, argan oil, often dubbed liquid gold for its remarkable benefits for hair. Sourced from the kernels of the argan tree, this oil is a rich source of antioxidants and essential fatty acids like oleic acid and linoleic acid. These potent compounds work tirelessly to strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and protect your hair from environmental damage. With regular use, argan oil can help restore your hair's natural shine, leaving it soft, manageable, and full of life. Section 3. The perfect blend, synergy in action. Now, imagine the combined power of jojoba and argan oils working in perfect harmony. This dynamic duo forms the base of our hair growth serum, providing a solid foundation for healthy hair growth. Jojoba oil, with its moisturizing and balancing properties, prepares the scalp for optimal absorption of argan oil's nourishing benefits. Together, they create a potent blend that strengthens, protects, and revitalizes your hair from root to tip. Section 1. Lavender Essential Oil. A calming embrace for your scalp. As we delve deeper into the world of hair-loving ingredients, let's uncover the magic of essential oils. First up is lavender essential oil, cherished for its soothing aroma and therapeutic properties. Beyond its calming scent, lavender oil is known to reduce stress and promote relaxation, factors that significantly impact hair health. When massaged into the scalp, it can help improve blood circulation, creating a nourishing environment for hair follicles to thrive. Lavender oil's gentle nature makes it suitable for even the most sensitive scalps, making it a valuable addition to our hair growth serum. Section 2. Rosemary Essential Oil, Igniting Hair Growth. Next, we introduce rosemary essential oil, a potent stimulator of hair growth. Extracted from the rosemary herb, this oil is known for its invigorating aroma and ability to increase blood flow to the scalp. This increased circulation delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and potentially even delaying premature graying. Rosemary oil's stimulating properties can also help to awaken dormant hair follicles, leading to thicker, fuller hair over time. Its ability to combat dandruff and soothe scalp irritation adds another layer of benefit to our potent serum. Section 3. Peppermint Essential Oil, a refreshing boost for your scalp. Finally, we add a touch of invigorating peppermint essential oil to our hair growth serum. Known for its refreshing aroma and cooling sensation, peppermint oil adds a revitalizing touch to our DIY concoction. Peppermint oil's stimulating properties extend to the scalp, where it helps to increase blood flow, delivering essential nutrients to the hair follicles. This invigorating action can help to awaken dormant hair follicles, promoting new hair growth. Moreover, peppermint oil's antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe the scalp, reducing itchiness and irritation. Section 1. The Protective Shield, Vitamin E's Antioxidant Power. Now, let's talk about a secret ingredient that adds an extra punch to our hair growth serum. Vitamin E. Often hailed as the protector vitamin, Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that shields your hair from environmental damage. Think of it as a protective shield against pollution, UV rays, and other external aggressors that can weaken hair follicles and lead to breakage. By neutralizing these harmful free radicals, Vitamin E helps to maintain the integrity of the hair shaft, preventing split ends and promoting a healthy shine. Section 2. Nourishing from within, deep conditioning and repair. But Vitamin E's benefits don't stop at protection. This wonder vitamin also plays a crucial role in nourishing and repairing damaged hair. Its moisturizing properties help to lock in moisture, preventing dryness and breakage, which are common culprits behind hair loss. Moreover, Vitamin E's ability to improve blood circulation extends to the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive a steady supply of nutrients essential for growth. By promoting a healthy scalp environment and strengthening the hair shaft, Vitamin E becomes an indispensable ingredient in our quest for luscious locks. Before we embark on our serum making journey, let's gather the tools and ingredients that will transform your bathroom into a haven of hair-loving goodness. This is where the magic begins. First, you'll need 2 carrier oils: jojoba oil, our scalp's best friend, known for its moisturizing properties, and argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold for your hair, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Next, gather our aromatic powerhouses. Lavender essential oil for its calming embrace, which also helps reduce stress. Rosemary essential oil to ignite hair growth and improve circulation to the scalp. And peppermint essential oil for a refreshing boost that invigorates your senses and stimulates hair follicles. Lastly, grab Vitamin E oil, our secret weapon for protection and nourishment, shielding your hair from damage. To contain our potent blend, you'll need a dark glass bottle with a dropper. This ensures easy application. This will protect the serum from light and air, preserving its potency for longer, ensuring every drop is effective. Remember, accurate measurements are key to creating a balanced and effective serum. Precision is essential for the best results. Section 2. Blending the Magic. A step-by-step guide to creating your serum. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's dive into the heart of the process, blending our potent hair growth serum. This is where the magic truly begins, as we combine nature's finest elements to create a powerful elixir for your hair. In your clean and dry beaker, start by combining 7 grams of jojoba oil and 2.7 grams of argan oil. These base oils are known for their nourishing properties and will form the foundation of our serum. Gently swirl the beaker to encourage the oils to mingle and create a unified base for our serum. This step is crucial as it ensures that the oils are well blended, setting the stage for the addition of our essential oils. Next, add the star players, our essential oils. These oils not only add fragrance, but also bring their unique benefits to the serum. Carefully measure 0.1 grams of lavender essential oil, known for its calming and soothing properties, 0.05 grams of rosemary essential oil, which stimulates hair growth and improves circulation, and 0.05 grams of peppermint essential oil, which invigorates the scalp and promotes hair health. These precise measurements ensure that the aroma is perfectly balanced while delivering their therapeutic benefits. The combination of these essential oils creates a harmonious blend that is both effective and pleasant to use. Finally, add 0.1 grams of vitamin E oil to the mix. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect and repair your hair, making it an essential component of our serum. Section 3. Storing your serum. Preserving the potency of your concoction. Congratulations! You've successfully created a potent and aromatic hair growth serum that's ready to revitalize your hair from root to tip. This serum is packed with essential oils and nutrients that will nourish your scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Now, let's talk about storing your precious concoction to ensure its longevity and effectiveness. Proper storage is key to maintaining the serum's potency and ensuring you get the best results. Using your dropper, carefully transfer the serum into the dark glass bottle. This step is crucial to avoid any contamination and to keep the serum pure. The dark glass helps to protect the serum from light degradation, which can compromise the integrity of the essential oils and vitamin E. Light exposure can break down these vital components, reducing their effectiveness. Once the serum is transferred, tightly secure the dropper cap to prevent air exposure, which can oxidize the oils and reduce their potency. Air exposure can lead to the serum losing its beneficial properties over time. Finally, store your serum in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat sources. This will help maintain the serum's effectiveness and ensure it remains potent for as long as possible. Section 1. Embrace the journey to healthier hair. And there you have it. You've crafted your very own DIY hair growth serum, brimming with the power of nature's finest ingredients. As you embark on this journey to healthier, more vibrant hair, remember that consistency is key. Just like any worthwhile endeavor, transforming your hair takes time and dedication. Embrace the process and allow yourself to be amazed by the gradual, yet remarkable changes you'll witness. With each application, you're not just nourishing your hair, you're investing in your confidence and well-being. Section 2. Unlock your hair's full potential. Remember those dreams of luscious flowing locks? With your DIY hair growth serum in hand, you're one step closer to making them a reality. Embrace the power of natural ingredients and watch as your hair transforms into its most radiant and resilient self. Don't hesitate to share this empowering journey with your friends and family, and together, let's unlock the secret to healthier, more vibrant hair for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and here's to embracing the beauty of natural hair care.